This video is used to introduce the functions of the anti-drone system, Hobit S1 Pro. Now, I will walk you through each function of the system interface step by step. First, we have the language switching function. The system supports two languages, English and Russian. The system offers both automatic and manual jamming capabilities against drones. When we turn on automatic strike, the system will automatically jamming with illegal drones within range. In addition to automatic attacks, we also support manual jamming of drones. The system will open all interference frequency bands by default. S1 Pro can detect the drones within 10 kilometers and can detect more than 400 drone models within 70 megahertz to 6 gigahertz. Also, the system has the capability of expanding detection for FPV drones from 300 megahertz to 6 gigahertz band. Now we will show the entire drone discovery process. We turn on a DJI Air 2 drone for this test. First, after the system detects the drone, we can get the direction of drones and finger ID of drones. After the system cracks the drone, we will get the specific information of the drone and the pilot. Because we are indoors now, the drone has no GPS signal. In this case, the drone position is at sea by default. Next, we will show you the whitelist function. Click the green button in the lower left corner of the drone list. The system will add the specified drone to the whitelist. We can check it in the whitelist on the left. And you can also delete the device in the whitelist here. Next, we will introduce the query report function. User can select the history record of a specific date. For some drones that have been hacked by the system will record their specific details, including coordinates, model, SN number. You can also view the exact location of the drone on the map. In the system settings, you can choose the map type. We support 4 map types for users to choose from. About automatic attack, we support 2 modes. One method is targeted frequency jamming, which automatically jamming drone by selected frequency bands. The other is to interfere with a certain brand of drones. Now, only support DJI drones, including the Phantom, Mavic, etc. We support user check the status information of the Hobit S1 Pro system. The purpose of this function is to check whether the device can operate normally. Our system supports adding extra equipment, including PTZ, spoof equipment, and FPV detector. You can configure the details in the S1 Pro management system. Click on the device icon on the map. All the controls about batting are there. You can set up specific bands to jamming drones, for example, 1.2 GHz, 1.5 GHz, 2.4 GHz, etc. Here you can control the spoof equipment. You can control the direction of the decoy drone. The dial below is used to control the steering of the head. You can adjust the angle of the head by using the arrow keys. You can also adjust some parameters about the spoof device in here. For example, the angle of decoy drone, the gain effect of a certain satellite, etc. After connecting to the spoof device, you can check the device's operating status, satellite search status, etc. Next, we will introduce you to the user management function. In some cases, users need to create multiple accounts to manage the system. You can create your own account, including account, password, and management permissions. You also can select the availability date for the account you created. You can view and delete the generated account information here.